Go to File and select New. Change background color from white to black. Click Create. Now take the text tool, select Arial font. Change font style from regular to black. Increase font size to 300. Then type your text like this. Press Ctrl T for transform options. Hold Shift and Alt buttons. Resize and adjust text like this. Click Enter. Go to File and select Place Embedded. Select this texture image. Click Place. Right click and choose Rotate 90 degrees clockwise. Resize the texture like this. Hit Enter. Now right click on this texture layer and choose Create Clipping Mask. Press Ctrl T for transform options. Now you can also rotate the texture like this. Let's see the final result.